A very warm welcome from Molineux, in the heart of England's West Midlands. My name's Guy Mowbray, and alongside me is Sue Smith for commentary. And a live game from the Premier League on the way. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers, and they take on Manchester United.
Thanks, Guy. I'm anticipating a good match today. It's important they get off to a good start, play their way into the game, be confident on the ball, and hopefully we won't be disappointed.
Here's how Manchester United line up. Andre Onana is in goal. Lisandro Martinez starts alongside Matthijs de Ligt in central defence. Christian Eriksen starts alongside Casemiro in the heart of midfield. And the main striker in the side is Marcus Rashford. A chance to deliver into the box. Well, that's what he's there for. It's a good stop.
Well, I thought we were going to see an early goal here. And what a start that would have been for them. But the keeper did so well to keep it out.
Bruno Fernandes. Casemiro. Diogo Dalot. Christian Eriksen. Eriksen. They've lost it there, and the attack is over. Jürgen Strand Larsen. Strong play to keep possession. Matheus Cunha. Oh, that's superb technique to get past. Well, I'm sure he thought he'd scored there. Great goalkeeping. It's put into the middle. Well, that's how to deal with it. Nicely gathered. Casemiro. Martinez. Christian Eriksen. Bruno Fernandes. Untidy in possession there. Got room to operate in here. The approach play looked encouraging, but good defending to snuff out any threat. Fernandes. Need to get tighter here. Looking for the angle. Well, you can see his disappointment there. Casemiro. And that brings to an end the first half here at Molineux. So away we go then for the second half. Martinez. On to Casemiro. Fernandes. Little careless there as the ball changes hands. Nouri. Plenty of open space here. Matheus Cunha. Oh, he's done well to get past his man. Well, it was looking good, but ultimately nothing doing. And over the touchline it goes. It'll be a throw-in now.
As you can see, the possession stats are certainly in favour of United. But I doubt the manager or the fans will be happy with what they've seen. It's been quite slow and safe at times. They're going to need to find another gear if they're going to go on and win this.
Not going to do much without the ball, though. Nelson Semedo. So a corner now. One good ball in. Might be all it takes for the lead.
Well, they haven't had too much to cheer for a while, but a goal here would be huge.
Short corner it is. The referee points to the spot. Penalty. Well, no card, just a warning and a fair few protests.
Well, he's probably got away with that, and you can see why they'd expect a card.
To make it 1-0. And they have paid the penalty. It's been dispatched.
Well, here it is again, and the keeper clearly expected him to go down the middle, but unfortunately for him, it's made for a simple finish.
The ball gets rolling again with Manchester United keen to react to that setback. Martinez. Dallo. Marcus Rashford. Bit sloppy in possession. Bellegarde. Matheus Cunha. Strand Larsen. Matheus Cunha. Well, he's lost the ball, and any chance has gone. Marcus Rashford.
Well, the atmosphere is brilliant, isn't it? It feels like it's just gone up a notch too. There's not long left now, and I just wonder, can they see it out?
He's in here. Another goal, and one that surely will seal the win.
Well, here's the replay. You do have to feel for the keeper, though. He's been completely exposed, but once he's through, it's a neat finish, very cool and collected.
And we're back underway at 2-0. Fernandes. On to Rashford. And that has stopped any potential danger. This could be dangerous. There is the final whistle. Plenty of positives for them to take away, not least the 3 points suit.
Yeah, it was a fairly comfortable result in the end. They control large parts of the game. It's a real professional performance, and I think they deserve the result.
Well, he really has put in a first-class performance today. Absolutely magnificent.
Well, he was a constant threat, either playing on the shoulder or looking to drop into space. His movement was so clever, got himself into great goal-scoring positions. Bag 2, could have had more.